Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So in this video I will like to show you a new idea to edit your picture to make your picture looks like 80s films touch or something like that. So here you just need to open your Picsart application. Wait until the Picsart application is perfectly open, and the next thing we need to do is just go click this plus button to create a new editing. So we need to open the picture that we want to edit here. So let's say here I will like to edit I will like to find the picture that I will like to edit. So I already got this photo. Perfect, it's already good. Actually this picture is already good, so but that I would like to make them look like 80s film or 80s movie touch or color on it. So you just need to jump into the effects, and in this effect you just need to go click this FX or simple. And in this FX, there will be like a lot of options that you can just choose to apply it into your picture. Slide it into the left side. There will be like two options. There will be like a film 2 or film 3. So this is the difference between film 2 and film 3. This is for the film 2 and this is for the film 3. So since we want to make like a 80s pictures look, so here is the best match for it. But then if you want to have it like much more modern, you can just jump into the film 2. You'll see the difference, right? This one is more 80s and probably it's like a 90s or like 20s touch of the old film. So after you got the best match with your 80s film touch on it, so you just need to go click apply and download this picture, and then this picture will be saved into your photo library. So basically that is the way, guys, for today's tutorial. Hopefully today's tutorial is useful for you. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe to this channel, and let's meet into the next tutorial.